How to identify bad stocks. Let's talk about it on Kyle Talks Money. You're looking to invest, not as a joke to YOLO your tax refund or that $50 you've been saving up for. You really want to take this seriously. But how can you identify bad stocks and avoid these early mistakes? The stock market is a place where traders can win big. That doesn't come without risk though. Being on the lookout for bad stocks can help minimize your risk as an investor and stay on top of your portfolio. So here are the 5 traits of a bad stock. First, low trading volume. When stocks have a low trading volume, each trade has a larger impact on the value. Essentially, the price is a lot less stable the lower the amount of stock being traded on the market. Second is bad history. The history of each stock may very well predict its future. The stock you are looking at has a very choppy history with unpredictable earnings. You should be aware that your ability to succeed is low. Next is look for liquidity. Keep a watchful eye on any insider trading who quickly begin to sell off their stock. If an insider begins to liquidate their investment, you should take that as a sign that things may not be looking too great for the future of your investment. Then look at the stock value. By comparing and contrasting the company's value, earnings, debt, and stock price, you'll be able to tell if the stock you're thinking of investing is overvalued or undervalued. And last, avoid trendy stocks. Trends go just as quickly as they come into the market. By the time you hear about a trend on the news or online, the peak time to invest has already passed and it'll soon be on the way out. As Warren Buffett once said, only when the tide goes out do you discover who's been swimming naked. What are your thoughts? Are you good at picking stocks? Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here's a video you may be interested in. Go ahead and watch it. Learn something new. And as always, take care of your money.